Your vacuum cleaner's great for cleaning carpets, but you can't use it on everything. Introducing Microvac 2000. Microvac 2000 combines the power of your full-size vacuum with the micro-precision of fine tools. At long last, you can get into all those tiny, awkward places you could never reach before. The universal adapter fits any vacuum cleaner. Just pick an attachment and you're ready to go. Use the micro brush to reach deep inside your VCR and tape deck. It even cleans your video game player. Protect your investments. Remove damaging dust from your computer equipment. Clean refrigerator and wall vents with ease. Change to the mini brush to tackle those impossible-to-clean mini blinds. Eliminate dust from your delicate electronics and all your office equipment. Leave the feathers to the birds and throw out that battery-driven toy. Nothing cleans your car like Microvac 2000. With the crevice tool, you can dive deep inside those air conditioning vents and add years to the life of your car stereo. It even reaches that dust bowl between the car seats. Try doing that with anything else. Microvac 2000 is perfect for sewing machines, wall heaters, air conditioners, and radiators. And what better way to clean artificial flowers, knickknacks, and collectibles? But there's more. Microvac 2000 comes with this extension pipe that boldly goes where nothing but dust has gone before. Plus this curved extender to reach the tops of picture frames and window moldings. You get everything. The miniature hose, the adapters, all the brushes, and both extenders. A complete micro-vacuum system, all for the low price of only $19.95. But wait, there's still more. If you act right now and take advantage of this special TV offer, we'll also include this handy carrying case to hang Microvac 2000 right on your vacuum for easy storage.
Call toll-free 1-800-792-2100. That's 1-800-792-2100. Or send $19.95 plus $4.50 shipping and handling to Microvac 2000, 2 Morgan Avenue, Norwalk, Connecticut, 06851. For fastest delivery, use your credit card and call 1-800-792-2100.